The single shaft shredder can meet the waste recycling requirements of various industries, and is suitable for the recycling of plastic, paper, wood, fiber, rubber, and domestic garbage. There are many types of recyclable materials. It is suitable for recycling a variety of large solid materials, difficult to handle materials, plastic containers and plastic buckets, and plastic pads. The output size can be as small as 20 毫米, according to different requirements, and can provide various feeding hoppers according to customer needs. The equipment rotates at low speed, low noise, and more energy saving. The material enters the chassis from the hopper. The pusher box pushes the material to the rotating knife roller under the push of the hydraulic cylinder. The rotating movable knife and the fixed knife crush the material. The crushed material falls through the screen, and then is transported by the auxiliary conveying equipment go to the next process or collect and pack. The blade is made of cold work die steel, with good strength, high toughness and high cutting performance. The blade has 4 cutting edges, which can be rotated to 90 度 after wear and continue to be used. The external bearing design is waterproof and dustproof, extending the service life of the bearing. Forced hydraulic feeding, stable and adjustable speed, large and uniform propulsion. Hard tooth surface reducer, high transmission efficiency, strong carrying capacity and low noise. Scrap metal is recognized as an ideal raw material for steelmaking, and the metal crusher is an indispensable equipment to provide qualified scrap metal raw materials for steel mills. The metal crusher is the first to adopt a combination of swing hammer tearing and ring hammer rubbing to achieve decontamination, compaction and forming. It is an ideal replacement product for traditional scrap metal processing equipment. The fuselage adopts a reinforced structure of extra thick steel plates and diagonal braces to ensure that the equipment meets overload operation. The liner and hammer are processed by heat treatment, which naturally eliminates stress. The chemical composition is more stable, and the service life is increased by more than 30%. The material is pre-compressed and the feed range is expanded to improve production efficiency. Set up a safety door. After the unbreakable material enters the crushing chamber, the operator can open the safety door and discharge it out of the machine body to avoid damage to the crusher. Hydraulic lid opening device saves time and labor for replacement and maintenance. Scrap iron crusher is a kind of crushing equipment used to process scrap steel. It is mainly used for the crushing operation of scrapped cars, scrapped household appliances and light steel scrap. The crushed material obtained by the scrap iron crusher has high density, high purity, and basically no impurities. When steel mills and other manufacturing enterprises smelt the crushed material into new products, the unit energy consumption is low, the output is high, and the overall economy is obvious. Scrap iron crusher is recognized as the ideal equipment for processing scrap steel. The whole production line is composed of feed conveyor host machine vibrating feeder discharge conveyor magnetic separator iron conveyor impurity conveyor dust collector PLC control cabinet. The crushed material from the scrap iron crusher passes through a vibrating feeder, a belt conveyor, and a magnetic separation system to separate ferrous metal objects from non-ferrous metal objects and non-metallic objects, and send them out by their respective conveyors. Non-ferrous metals and non-metallic objects will be searched by magnetic separation equipment again on the conveyor to sort out free iron metal objects, thereby increasing the recovery rate of iron metal objects. At the same time, the non-ferrous metals can be separated by eddy current separator to improve the recovery. Benefit: the whole crushing line is controlled by PLC, which can realize microcomputer control and manual operation. The entire scrap steel crusher production line is composed of feed conveyor host, vibrating feeder, discharge conveyor, magnetic separator, iron conveyor, impurity conveyor, dust collector, PLC control cabinet. The crushed material from the scrap steel crusher passes through a vibrating feeder, a belt conveyor, and a magnetic separation system to separate ferrous metal objects from non-ferrous metal objects and non-metallic objects, and send them out by their respective conveyors. Non-ferrous metals and non-metallic objects will be searched by magnetic separation equipment again on the conveyor to sort out free iron metal objects, thereby increasing the recovery rate of iron metal objects. At the same time, the non-ferrous metals can be separated by eddy current separator to improve the recovery. Benefit: the whole crushing line is controlled by PLC, which can realize microcomputer control and manual operation. The main equipment of the scrap steel crushing line includes chain plate feeding conveyor, scrap crusher host, hydraulic feeding device, vibrating feeder, belt discharge conveyor, upper suction magnetic separator, discharge conveyor, iron remover, rotary conveyor, etc. Supporting systems include electrical control system, dust removal system, spray system, hydraulic system, television monitoring system, and the wires, hydraulics and spray pipelines required between the above equipment and systems. Product features: ultra-high crushing efficiency. It adopts hydraulic feeding, swing hammer and ring hammer combined crushing hammerhead, which improves the efficiency of 5% to 15% compared with other crushers. The perfect finished granule adopts a unique roller kneading process to significantly remove paint and other dirt, form high-density pellets, and improve the grade of crushed materials. Stable operation ability: after the unbreakable material enters the crushing cavity, the operator can open the safety door and discharge it out of the machine body to avoid damage to the crusher. Intelligent control system, PLC control system and hydraulic power system. Intelligent production saves time and effort, and realizes stable, automatic and safe operation of the whole production line. The mobile pulverizer is a new type of pulverizing machine designed for large-scale power plants, washing plants, medium coal storage stations, fine powder transfer stations, and pellet plants. It has high working efficiency. The finished product has the advantages of good effect, energy saving and consumption reduction. Mobile pulverizers include large, medium, small, single rotor, double rotor and other types of pulverizers. They have small size, high output, low energy consumption, strong reliability, easy operation, easy maintenance, convenient transportation, and a wide range of applications: coal, slime, fine powder. Reasonable results, convenient maintenance, convenient use, dual-stage filtration, etc. It can be moved at any time. Maintenance is quick and convenient, and the structure is firm. It has the best crushing effect on Chinese coal, raw coal, coal slime, coal, iron fine powder, etc., which is unmatched by other similar products, including tractors, generator sets, crushers, screening mechanisms and conveyors. Its characteristics are: under the walking chassis towed on the tractor, there are supporting feet with lifting cylinders. The walking chassis is equipped with a generator set, a hammer crusher driven by an electric motor, and a vibrating silo behind. The screening mechanism includes a hammer, the lower grate with grid holes, and the circular hole sieve plate under the vibrating silo. There is a belt conveyor extending backward under the hammer crusher and the vibrating silo. Product features: equipped with a high-performance crusher, it can crush high-humidity materials without any requirements for water content, and it is more efficient to crush dry materials. Centralized lubrication system is adopted, and oil can be injected without stopping the machine. In addition, with the hydraulically activated casing device, one person can easily open the casing. and maintenance and inspection of parts are very quick and convenient. The unit is integrated with the feeder, underscreen belt conveyor, vibrating screen, and crusher integrated with the crusher. The combination is compact and reasonable.